Hello guys, this is the K26 Gigaware, or some might call it the Ryuinoi or the Bird. So it's a very good keyboard. Let's try. We have such different modes. Gaming mode, WASD, and yeah. This I don't know what kind of pattern is this. Ripple effect, maybe? Yeah, whatever. I'll just stop talking. I bought this around 2,199 from an online shop here in the Philippines. So yeah, I think it's good. Sounds good. This is the first time I actually touch and type on a mechanical keyboard, and plus it's a blue switch. Gatron. I did a thorough research about it, and yeah, it's a China copy of Cherry MX Blues. So yeah, here it is. The sound, and this is the sound of the keyboard. For those who are fanatics of the clicky sounds, tactile, it's very much good. And yeah, so I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'll upload another one soon. Thank you.